How to leave a review on Just Eat. If you would like to leave a review on Just Eat, it is very simple for us to do so. All we have to do is launch the Just Eat app, and this is the type of interface you will see. What you want to do is, from the bottom right, you can see the option called Account. Now, if you want to leave a review, you have to go to your order history. For that, go to the option that says Orders, as you can see right here. Once you go to the option that says Orders, this is the type of option that you will see. Now over here, you simply have to select the order from your order history and select the relevant order. There, you'll be able to rate your experience out of a couple of stars, and then you'll be able to write a review as well. So once then, you can simply type in whatever else you have based on your order history, and you'll be able to review them. So this way you should be able to leave a review on Just Eat. I hope that this video pretty much helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.